Welcome to our guide on how to start your very own tech review channel. Tech review channels have become incredibly popular in recent years, and today we're going to walk you through all the important steps. First, let's discuss how important it is to choose your niche. Focusing on a specific area of tech allows you to attract a dedicated audience. Next up, setting up your channel. You'll need to create an engaging brand and set up your profile. A strong visual identity helps you stand out. Let's talk equipment. Invest in a good camera and microphone, as they are essential for producing quality content. Editing software is equally important. Planning your content is crucial. Generate ideas and maintain a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged. When filming, use techniques that enhance video quality. Keep your shots steady and engage your audience with dynamic content. Editing is where your content truly comes to life. Use best practices to enhance your videos and maintain viewer engagement. Don't forget about SEO and promotion. Optimize your videos for search and leverage social media to reach a wider audience. Engaging with your audience is key. Respond to comments and create a community around your channel. Finally, let's explore monetization strategies. Once you've built an audience, there are several ways to earn from your channel.